So we're on May the 11th. This is week 3 of the easing of measures in response to coronavirus in Croatia. One of the things that's happening now is travel within the country is now possible, apart from the island of Brač. So we now have 3 ferries a day coming to the island rather than 2 up till now, and other people now are allowed to come on it. We have a lot of people who have holiday homes on the island, and so maybe a lot of them will be coming to visit and just to relax after being confined at home. So we're just here to see who's going to be on the ferry. If we look around, there's a lot more activity than there used to be. We still have the police controlling everything. They've done an excellent job. The Hvar police have been outstanding throughout this crisis, and as well as all the health professionals over there. But a nice addition now is the first local bus. The buses meet every ferry. One goes towards Jelsa, the other one goes towards Hvar town. And as you can see on the side of the bus, there is a very strict social distancing, 1 meter apart, and only 1 person per row can sit, so no sitting together. So let's see who comes off, and let's see what the registration plates are like, where they're coming from. So now it's 10:30, the ferry's just arriving. We have a Yugo wind blowing, so let's see how many people are on board and where they're from. And so we've just seen everybody come off, and we've had about 50 foot passengers. I'd say it was about 35 trucks or vans, and about 20 to 25 private cars, most of which were with split license plates, but there are also a couple from Germany, one from Hamburg, one from Heidelberg, as well as a couple from Zagreb and also from Imotski. Cafes and restaurants also open today, May the 11th, for the first time as part of these measures. And as you can see, we had a wander around today through various parts of Dalmatia, walking along the famous Riva on Split's waterfront and in and around Diocletian's palace. There was, after weeks of sunshine, there was a Yugo wind, and the weather was not that welcoming, so perhaps the weather was trying to tell us to stay home and keep our distance. Also on the island of Hvar in Starigrad, this is Hektorovic Square. You can see things are open, but not so many people out. Not that many cafes, probably about 30% of cafes in total are open. And here we have on the main square of Jelsa, we have 7 cafes, of which 5 are open, but again very few people. So while everybody's relieved that there is the possibility to go out, it seems at the moment, on the first day at least, that not that many people took them up on the offer.